Good morning, futures traders. Today's Thursday, July 24th, the time 9:29. Going to be trading the NASDAQ Open as always with the Quant Alpha Strategy. Doing something a little different here. We have the automated Titan Alpha version 1 on the left side of the chart. And we're going to
Order submitted.
look for the breakout trade
Order
here at the open. And we already are in it already. It broke through that. So we have several high volume bars to the upside. So we're going to take this break here. They closed above the 100. We have about 25 seconds. We're going to see if we can get some movement to the upside here at the open. I know it's a little premature, 10 seconds. I'll be ready to hit break even pretty fast. Nope. All right, so we're done on that. Hit our daily goal and then some. So let's just watch the bot now a little bit. We're done with our manual trading. So let's see what the bot does. So this trade here, we had several high volume bars that closed above the 100. We took the break here and we placed the trade. So we are going to be including this breakout trade in the automated bot, but we haven't put that in yet. So let's just watch here, see what it does. So the way this works is you'll see different color bars depending on whether the trade is valid. So the reason why it didn't take this break trade is because we did not have enough ticks to the upside. All right, we set it to the target of 80 ticks. So it looks to make sure it's got enough room, and it did not have enough room, so it did not take it.
Order
now,
submitted.
It's placing an S3 trade here because we had this high volume here. So it's going to be ready to place the low, but we're ready, and we're also right at the London low as well. So it'll keep this trade on for a few bars. It may take a trade, it may not. If not, no big deal. We'll continue sharing this automation with you as we go. But you can see we had a good day with the manual strategy. All right,
Target
so it's
filled. Order filled.
so we're still waiting for an S3 here on the bot. If it doesn't take a trade, I will stop the video, but just to give you an idea. But as I was saying, you have an invalid signal, which is light blue. And if I had this set to the 40 tick target instead of the full 80 tick target, it would have taken this breakout trade up here because there was plenty of room. So after 3 complete bars, this order will get canceled. So we have about 45 seconds, and this order should get canceled because it's going to wait a certain number of bars before it cancels it. But I'll let it run a little bit so you can see. So you can see up here too, it tells you if trade will be valid or not. So this says the reversal or the continuation trade will be valid because there are enough ticks. So if we were to place an order from here, all right, there's enough ticks that says it's okay. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you the settings we have, and we're going to switch this to 40. So what you do is disable it for a second. Is you use the ATM you want. So I'm going to say let's use the pre-market ATM, and that's going to be 40 ticks to stop support or resistance. All right, and now we're going to enable it. Okay. So we still have our S3 here. We did not get rid of it yet. Again, don't forget we're in the early stages of testing. So the short is valid. So you can see there's plenty of ticks to get there. All right, well, it looks like it's ranging right now. So we'll try again tomorrow with the bot. Like I said, I'll put the 40 tick target so we can at least get a trade in here. Our last signal, good signal, was this short here. Okay, so you'll see a yellow bar which says it's a valid short. Right, you'll see a light blue says it's an invalid long. And so there's color code, and you can customize the colors you want for valid and invalid shorts and longs as well. We'll give it a few. What I'll do is I'll pause the video until we get into the trade so we don't have a 25-minute video. Okay, it looks like we're getting close for this S3, which is right at the London low as well, so this might not be good. But we'll see. Again, we're still testing the bot. It followed the rules, and I had it set at 80 ticks, so it didn't take this opening trade. However, like I said, we will be including the market open break. We just need to define the rules. So basically how I traded it. It doesn't look like it wants to get here. All right, well, the bot canceled this order since the S3 is no longer valid. So I'll just let it run, and once we get into close to getting into a trade, I will restart the video. All right, folks, we're going to just look at the trade journal for Quant Alpha, the manual side. We'll try again tomorrow with the bot. No big deal. We're in the middle, like I said, we're in the middle of testing. So I thought I'd share with you some things to see, but didn't work out this morning. So not a big deal. Like I said, we'll continue to do this. I'll run the bot side by side every morning now so you can at least get a feel for what it looks like. Anyway, sorry I didn't take any trades, but it is what it is, right? So I'm going to switch over to the trade journal now so you can get a feel for where we are for July, and then we'll call it a day. Okay, here's the trade journal with today's entry. So you can see here we had another winning day for July. We're now at 90% for the month of July. One loss so far this month. So yeah, so far so good. We're taking our trades, following the rules, and we're not jumping into trades for just the sake of it. One and done. We're green. We're done. Anyway, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me a message on Discord, send me an email, leave a comment in the description. If you have any recommendations for the channel, happy to hear it. Please let me know. As always, like and subscribe if you are enjoying the content. Have a great day, and we'll be back at it tomorrow.